Yes, ready for dictation. Start. The area shall be deemed to include all assets, rights, leaseholds, powers, authority and privileges, and all property, movable and immovable, including lands, buildings, structures, shops of whatever nature or other properties, and all other rights and interests in or arising out of such properties as were immediately before the commencement of this act in the ownership, possession, power or control of any person or the state government of Uttar Pradesh, as the case may be, and all registers, maps, plans, drawings, and other documents of whatever nature relating thereto. Stop. All properties aforesaid which have vested in the central government under section 3 shall by force of such vesting be freed and discharged from any trust, obligation, mortgage, charge, lien, and all other encumbrances affecting them, and any attachment, injunction, decree or order of any court or tribunal or other authority restricting the use of such properties in any manner or appointing any receiver in respect of the whole or any part of such properties shall cease to have any effect. Stop. If on the commencement of this act any suit, appeal, or other proceeding in respect of the right, title, and interest relating to any property which has vested in the central government under section 3 is pending before any court, tribunal, or other authority, the same shall abate. Stop. Duty of person or state government in charge of the management of the area to deliver all assets, etc. The central government may take all necessary steps to secure possession of the area which is vested in the government under section 3. Stop. On the vesting of the area in the central government under section 3, the person or state government of Uttar Pradesh, as the case may be, in charge of the management of the area immediately before such vesting shall be bound to deliver to the central government or the authorized person all assets, registers, and other documents in their custody relating to such vesting, or where it is not practicable to deliver such registers or documents, the copies of such registers or documents authenticated in the prescribed manner. Stop. Passage. Power of central government to direct vesting of the area in another authority or body or trust. Stop. Notwithstanding anything contained in sections 3, 4, 5 and 7, the central government may, if it is satisfied that any authority or order, other body or trustees of any trust set up on or after the commencement of this act. Stop.